Hey everyone, my name is Karen and this is Chosen and Precious Farm, and today we are going to clean out this shed. It is quite a big shed, and right now it is so unorganized that you can barely walk in here. So we need to clean it out and get it back in working order.
Dog Bruno.
JR killed his bee. Okay, here's where we're at now. Much better, at least we can walk in it now. Now, everything that's on here, that's gonna take a long time, so we're not gonna comb through everything that's in here just yet. We're not prepared for that. But we got it organized-ish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before you go, we have a new family member, our dog Bruno, and I'd like to show you a couple of clips of him. Enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.
again, thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more of us, there are some videos here you can click. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you are notified whenever we upload our next video. God bless.